touch me, touch me, touch me. I like the way she fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Hit it, hit it, hit it, drop. Hit it, hit it, hit it, drop.
What's good with it, YouTube? This your boy CJ.
And this your girl RINA.
Make sure y'all subscribe to CJ and RINA. And also, this is our baby Sinclair. Ha ha ha. Guys, today we got a reaction video on Abbott and Costello.
The Payphone sketch.
Guys, don't forget to donate the bottles. We'll keep going. I know you're ready. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Yeah. All right, let's get it.
Hey, Lou. Look up the Fields Employment Agency. We've got to get you a job. I'll get a job. Here's 40 cents. And don't forget, you owe me 40 cents.
No, I owe you 40 cents.
No, don't forget.
We're all forgetting I owe him 40 cents. Fields Employment Agency.
Wow.
Rip every paper out.
Wow.
Operator, wrong number.
Oh.
That's enough. Just an operator. What's wrong with it? There you go.
Operator, will you please give me Alexander 4444?
Line's busy.
Wow. That's messed up.
How dare you laugh on my birthday?
What?
Operator, let me have long distance, please. Sydney, Australia. Yes. Hello, Sydney? Let me have Mr. Smith's Kangaroo Farm. Yes, please. Hello, Mr. Smith. How's the Kangaroo Farm? Fine, fine. Thank you. Hey, how's everything? The whole place is jumping.
Wow.
The place is jumping.
You might be calling the wrong number.
It's the operator.
Wrong operator.
Drop the nickel like it.
Hello, operator. Will you please let me have Alexander 4444?
Line is busy.
Only for him.
Wow.
Why are you pushing him?
Wow. Pushing right here with nobody.
Hello, operator. Let me have long distance. Hello, long distance. I want to talk to the Consolidated Coffee Company in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Hello, Joe. How's the coffee business? Just a grind, eh? Goodbye.
Wow.
Didn't even hang it up.
Operator, if you don't mind, will you please give me Alexander 4444?
What number, please?
Alexander 4444. It's only 2 blocks down here. Fields Employment Agency. You're getting unit and everything for everybody else. This is a local call. 2 blocks from here. Alexander 4444.
Line's busy.
There's more people in this joint using the phone.
Long distance? Oh yes, I'm on a person-to-person call to Signor Graziani in Milano, Italy. Thank you. Oh, Signor Graziani, come sta? Oh, I'm so glad to hear you. Oh, yes, this is Nika. Remember your pupil? Yes, I went to the American teacher you sent me to. Oh, he's wonderful, prezioso. Yes, listen to this. Liviamo, liviamo, neghetica, bella bellezza infinita. Liviamo,
She getting it. I don't think you want nobody to hang up the phone.
The numbers put for me. Operator, will you please give me Alexander 4444, please?
What number, please?
Alexander 4444.
Number, please.
Alexander 4444. It's only 2 blocks away from here.
Sorry, line
spray number.
Wow.
Long distance. I would like to talk to Chambersburg, PA. Hello, Joe? No.
Only you.
Operator, may I have Alexander 4444? Sorry, line's busy.
Wow.
May I please have Alexander 4444?
What number do you wish?
Alexander 4444!
What number?
Alexander 44s!
Oh, Alexander 16.
Look, lady, you don't add them up. These fours are individual, separate, away from each other.
Oh, you want to talk to your mother?
Wow.
I don't want to speak to my mother. I want to speak to Fields Employment Agency. Will you please give me Alexander 4444?
A little louder, please.
4444!
Little louder, please.
If I speak any louder, I will have to call him up. The guy will hear me. 4444!
A little louder, please.
How can a line be busy for me and anybody else gets the phone number in this apartment house? Every time I want to use that phone, it's always busy. Huh? Oh. Me? I'm as dry as can be.
Wow.
Where's the
Wow.
Abbott Costello apartment?
Abbott Costello's apartment?
That door over there.
Operator. Operator.
Ah, payback.
I must have plugged in Niagara Falls.
Wow.
She said she plugged in Niagara
She
Falls.
plugged in Niagara Falls. That was just so beautiful. No lie. I never seen art like Abbott and Costello do this. That was like so beautiful. Like it was really nice. Girl, our baby over here, she watching it, enjoying it too. Look at her, laughing like a mother. Laughing and crying at the same time. Look at it, it's so crazy. Oh man, that video is just so awesome. Y'all need to make sure y'all check it out.
Yeah, but he took the water. Like, why would? Which one is it?
Which
No, he said Costello, right?
yeah, Costello.
No. Wait, he's Costello, but why would he ask for Costello? He was right there.
Oh, we're
So
not-
he took his own water out the box and sprayed her with it?
I'm not sure.
Because I thought Abbott is Abbott. Because every time he gets in trouble, he say, Abbott, Abbott. But he's Costello.
Yeah, he's Costello. So I think he had a delivery that he had to go.
And he took his own water
Yeah,
out
he
the
took his
box.
own water. So I mean, he got his own stuff. He ain't steal from himself.
Wow.
So y'all make sure y'all check this video out in the description below, comment below, and also donate below. So we keep going, going, and going.
Make sure you guys subscribe to CJ and RINA.
Like always, guys. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
I like the way she touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. I like the way she fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Hit it, hit it, hit it, drop. Hit it, hit it, hit it.